Welcome to the percent off calculator for mathcelebrity.com. This lesson has shortcuts, so if you want to calculate a percent off, you can basically just type your problem, something like this. There's a couple other shortcuts I'm going to show you before I press the button here that you can also type where the search engine will recognize what you're asking for. So let's do 50% off 90. Press the button and we jump to our calculator. So basically, we'll summarize your problem on the first line. A good price at $90 was sold for 50% off. Find the reduced price. So we set up our percent off equation. We do our reduced price. And then we also show you one more method to calculate the reduced price. So let me show you a few other shortcuts. You can, instead of percent sign and off, you can type 35% off. You can type a dollar amount minus a percentage, and you can also say decreased. So we'll run all these. 35% off 80. Again, 80 is loaded into full price, 35 is loaded into percentage off. We calculate our reduced price. One thing to note about this calculator, it solves for any of the three items in the percent off equation. So the shortcuts are for an actual percent off, but if you wanted to start with something like 100 and the percent off was 35, as the instructions say here, you enter 2 out of 3, and whatever you leave blank, we're going to solve for. So you press calculate. So now a good was sold at 35% off for a price of 100. Find the original price. So we set up our relational equation, isolate full price, and we come up with 153.85. Now, we can also solve for reduced price and full price. Let's solve for a percentage off. So we'll leave that blank. We should get 35% because that's the problem we just ran. So again, we set up our relational equation. This time we're isolating percent off. Add percent off to each side of the equation, plug in our numbers, multiply by 100, and we get our 35%. So as you can see, this calculator is pretty functional. You can solve for any of the three items, and we also have shortcuts, as I displayed before, for solving for the reduced price. So we'll run one more shortcut. Actually, let's run this one first. We'll change some numbers around too. We'll do 7530 minus 25.85. Let's see what we get. So again, it loaded your full price and your percentage off, calculates the reduced price, and there you go. So that's pretty much it. If you had any questions or enhancement suggestions for the lesson, please use the Contact Us link. Thanks for watching.